I'm here in Nilandra's historical cricket ground and I have with me Commissioner Secretary, Youth Service and Sports, Mr. Sarmad Hafiz. First of all, I want to know, sir, from decades, cricket came back to historical ground with the efforts of Parvez Rasool, Sports Council, Youth Service and Sports. What's your reaction, first of all?
I think it's really wonderful. I think it's very heartening to see what a wonderful cricket ground we have here now. ये जो स्पोर्ट्स काउंसिल ने पिछले कुछ सालों में यहाँ पे बनाया है, आई एम श्योर दैट दिस विल बी वन ऑफ द बेस्ट क्रिकेट ग्राउंड्स इन द एंटायर यूटी ऑफ जम्मू एंड कश्मीर. अ लॉट ऑफ एफर्ट हैज गॉन इन. और जैसा आपने कहा कि यहाँ के कई ऐसे प्लेयर्स रहे हैं परवेज रसूल साहब की तरह, हु हैव बीन एन इंस्पिरेशन फॉर द यूथ. और मुझे उम्मीद है कि आगे भी यहाँ पे बहुत अच्छे प्लेयर्स जो हैं इस सरजमीन से जो है उभर के आएंगे. who will not just do Anantnag district proud but the entire UT and the entire country proud.
After so many hurdles, you present a beautiful ground here. Would we expect a Ranji match, sir?
Absolutely, why not? I think in the last few years the facilities have been upgraded. It's a full-fledged cricket ground. You could see what a wonderful pitch we have here, and we are also working on some other facilities which are coming up. You also know that we have an indoor stadium which is also constructed under the PMDP, which has already been established here, and it's a great facility for the youth. Other than the cricket ground, we also have a football ground, we also have some basketball courts, some volleyball courts, and I think it is a wonderful thing that this kind of platform is being provided to the youth of this area, the youth of the entire district. All our youth require is a good platform, and I can see, I know how talented they are, and I'm sure that they will excel in the sport, especially in cricket, and they will make a name for themselves.
We are witnessing rapid change in Jammu and Kashmir, especially in Kashmir region. The youth are coming towards the sports. Would we expect here night matches also, as in the daylight we are witnessing in every nook and corner of the valley?
Under the LG's administration in the last 3-4 years, there has been an unprecedented growth in the sports infrastructure. Sports has been a priority. Our youth has been a priority. Not just here, but all over the valley, all over the UT, even in Jammu division, a lot of sports infrastructure has come up. In fact, international sports infrastructure, we have turf stadiums, we have these synthetic turf athletic tracks, we have indoor stadiums in every district. We have 32 indoor stadiums already, and we have several, more than 60 floodlit stadiums and playgrounds. There's a very strong case to make this stadium floodlit also, so that we can have night matches also. We will seriously consider that and see that in future we are able to provide floodlighting to the stadium also.
Thank you so much for giving your time.
Thank you.
This was with me,
Thank you, Parvez.
Commissioner Secretary, Youth Service and Sports, and we talked about the historical Nilandra's cricket ground. Thanks for watching us.